Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alex, and in this video I'm going to show you an extremely fast and easy way to come up with quality domain names for your online business or affiliate websites. But before I get started, I wanted to share with you 3 reasons why having a quality domain name can be a very important factor in your online business. Now, the first one is that having a quality domain name that's easy to remember will keep customers coming back to your site and continue to make purchases because they will be remembering the name of your site, so that it will be easy for them to go back and continue purchasing from you. The second reason is because having a quality domain name can create a lot of trust between you and customers online. For example, let's say that you're trying to sell a weight loss product to them. A customer will be more inclined to shop from a website called weightlossproducts.com rather than from one called weight924-495.com. As you can see, the first one is straight to the point of what the store is about or what your product is about, and customers will be more inclined to shop from that because it will create more trust with them rather than the other one that's longer and not easy to remember. Now, the third reason is if you're trying to sell products locally and you're trying to create your website to market only to people in your area, Google can actually help you rank higher in the search engines if your website contains a keyword or what your product is about. So now I'm going to share with you the technique that I use every time I try to register a new domain that saves me a lot of time, money, and effort. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to leandomainsearch.com. Once on the site, it will give you a search bar here. You can just type a keyword that you would like to have on your site. In this case, I'm going to continue with our weight loss product, so I'm going to type in weight loss. And now the system here populated about 3,000 available .com domains. Now, when choosing a domain, I always recommend you choosing the .com, although there's many other different ones out there. But the .com to me is the most trusted one because it's the most widely known by customers on the internet, as most websites have this one. So I always recommend you to choose this one. But if you decide to go for a different one, you can always do that as well. So you can scroll down through this list. As you can see, there's many different options that you can choose from. But in this case, let's see here. In this case, let's choose this one, style weight loss. So to choose it, just click on it and this little tab will pop up here. And here you are given the option to register with Bluehost, which you can always do that. I really don't recommend it because they're generally more expensive, and it's a little more difficult to do it through them. Or you can use my method and copy the domain name, open a new tab, and go to Namecheap, namecheap.com. Paste the domain name here. Click search, and as you can see here, it found it. It is available for $8.88 a year. Click add to cart, and if you don't yet have hosting, you can always get hosting for $2.88 a month. You can get private email, positive SSL to make your website more trustworthy. But if you're just looking for a domain name, you can always purchase your domain name from Namecheap. You can click the link in the description if you like. That will support me, but if not, you can just go to namecheap.com. So the reason why I like Namecheap is because they give you WhoisGuard protection. I always recommend you to get this whenever you register a new domain. I made that mistake with my first website that I ever registered. I did not enable this feature, and I was bombarded with telemarketers calling me every day. So if you want to save time from having to answer telemarketers' phone calls, I will always recommend you to get WhoisGuard. And the cool thing about Namecheap is that they give it away for free. As long as you have your domain with them, you can always get it for free, and other registrars actually charge you for this. So once you have selected your website, you can select how many years you want to have it for. The longer you go, the cheaper the price goes per year. Now you have to pay the whole entire amount today, but it is a lot cheaper than going year by year. So it's your option on which one you want to take. So then confirm your order. If you don't have an account with Namecheap yet, you might have to do one. It's really easy and takes you a few seconds to do it. And then you will be given the option to pay, and now you will have a brand new quality domain name that will help you increase your business and grow it on the internet. So guys, I hope that this has been very helpful for you. This method saves me a lot of time and effort every time I register a new domain, and I hope that this helps you as well. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a like. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about online marketing, how to make money online. We'll be providing a lot of training here in the future, so make sure to subscribe. Make sure to give it a like again, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.